Today I'm doing a muffler delete on this Jeep with my friend Joseph. This is his Jeep. He recently put a catback on, but...
You are retarded. Honestly.
You want this?
No, shut up.
Okay, so we just got this pipe welded up. What we did is we cut the 1/2-inch pipe in half, and then I welded it with the flex pipe in between. Not the cleanest weld, but we checked for exhaust leaks. Basically how we did that, someone just put their mouth right here and we sealed it up on both ends. We listened for and felt for like air coming out. Wherever there was, we just re-welded it and then re-grinded it. It's not meant to look pretty, it's meant to work, so that's what it is. It works. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the old connector on the old exhaust, and we're gonna put it on the ends of this and then just hook it up like it was. So basically just a big muffler delete.
It looks like an old man from the back.
So here is the old muffler. This was connected here like that somehow. This was connected to, what's that, is this the catalytic converter?
Yeah.
This was connected to the catalytic converter side. Basically, we just sawed this off. Now we're gonna attach it to this pipe, which we welded up. And basically, this is just gonna fit in there like that. It's gonna fit in there like that. And then this will just connect to the catalytic converter. Then this side will connect to the rest of the exhaust, which is already basically just a straight pipe. So we just cut this like bend piece off of the old muffler. This has a hanger on it, so it's kind of important. So that's why we had to do that.
This connects directly like to the tailpipe.
Yeah. This connects to the like axle back, which connects to like the exhaust tip and everything like that. So this is gonna go here like that. We're just gonna weld. Oh wait, this is gonna go here like that. We're just gonna weld that up. This one doesn't have a coupling, so it's gonna be an interesting weld.
We're just gonna send it, boys.
Yeah, we're just gonna send it. We'll see how it goes. So we got everything welded up. We're about to just throw it on. We're just looking for the bolts because someone lost the bolts. But then yeah. No, I'm just talking to myself.
Okay.
So yeah, then we're just gonna throw them on, and that'll be it. So yeah.
Bro, am I gonna die over here? So where do I put this whenever y'all are done?
So under like the rest of this.
Just got it bolted up. We're gonna go and start it up. Joseph, go ahead. Oh my god!
That sounds so good!
No way!
Okay, so I'm sure the audio does not pick it up. Oh my god! No way!
No!
It sounds better!
Holy crap!
No!
Okay, y'all don't even know. Hold on, wait.
Well, yeah, do it.
Do it, go.
Dude, no! Yo, let's do the drive, come on.
Good on you, Joseph. Like, dang, dude. That sounds so much better. Oh, here he comes. So the new exhaust sounds 10 times. I'm sure the mic cannot pick up how much louder it is. Not only is it louder, but it sounds like deeper too. I'll be talking when it goes by so you can kind of give a reference. But man, this thing's crazy.
I gave you like a little like just casually driving one.
Yeah.
No!
Okay, I gotta go now.
Okay, you gotta go.
Yeah.
Well, good on you, Joseph. Good on me for welding. Oh, that was bad.
That was that one. You gotta teach me how to weld.
Yeah, I'll teach you how to weld. But hey, for a reference, wait. stock muffler, aftermarket muffler, and then
But it
you can't see it, but no muffler.
It still wasn't
Loud enough. So yeah, that's
I'll pull away. You don't
okay.
pull away.